Hey friends, if you are new to my channel, I welcome you. Please make sure you view the channel by going to the playlist and you can find all the various guides that I made you for your stock photography journey. Make sure to subscribe the Teaching Dog channel, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notification. And if you are having problem in understanding any video, you click the subtitle or CC icon so that you can see English subtitle generated for my all videos. Now in today's video I will be telling you how you can fill up the tax form in bigstock.com. So first you need to go to bigstockphoto.com. This is the main contributor page. Over here you can see my lifetime earning is $56.25 and my unpaid earning is 26.25 US dollar. So I will not be showing you my payout today, but you just need to click on this one and then you will be taken to the tax center. You will be taken to a page from where you can click on the tax center and tax profile. I'll open both in the new tab. If you are having problems in filling up, you can always look at the tax center FAQ, frequently asked questions, that will help you to fill up the tax form in bigstock.com. So this is very easy. So what you need to do first, when you are first time filling this up, you can see my tax form have been approved, W8BN approved. So if you are starting it for the first time, make sure you are having all this information ready, which are nothing but your name, your full address. Basically this is what you will need, okay? But make sure that your permanent address is the same as mentioned in your identity or ID proof. All right, so first thing that you need to do is, I'll tell you what I did being an Indian citizen. Okay, so I am submitting the first option. I am submitting to Bigstock as US citizen or resident alien. No, I am submitting to Bigstock as a non-US citizen. So definitely you need to click this one, B. Okay, so after you click B, you will be guided to various forms. So there are many options. From them you need to choose W8BEN individuals. You need to click this one, group B. Okay, if you need help in filling up this form, you can right click and open this PDF in a new tab, and that will give you all the instructions that you need to fill up. Okay, so you need to just click this one. All right, now when you click this one, you will see the various things that you need to fill up will be left blank. Okay, so first what you need to do is, you need to, so see over here my tax form is already filled up. Okay, so first what you need to do is, you need to fill up your name over here. I have filled up my name, Arindam Ghosh. Okay, over here you need to fill up your country. Okay, India. When making the Bigstock account, you need to input your permanent address. Okay, so that will already be filled up for you, right? So mailing address, if it's different from above, it means if your mailing address is different or separate from your permanent address, then you can fill it up. In my case it is same, so I have not filled this up. Over here it's very important, US taxpayer identification number. Okay, I don't have that. If you are having a TIN number, you can please fill up over here. Because you are not a US citizen, you will not have this one. Okay, over here as an Indian, you need to fill up your PAN number. I'm not filling up my number, I'm just writing PAN number, but you need to fill up your PAN number over here. If you have your TIN number, if you have applied for TIN, then you need to fill your TIN number. Okay, so TIN or PAN you can fill up over here. Then you need to fill up your date of birth. My date of birth is 26 January 1985. the format is month, date and year. So January will be 01-26-1985. Okay. Thereafter you need to, this two options will again be filled up. So India 12.2 and claim 15, very important. If it is not filled up, please note this down and fill it up on your own. The country, article 12.2 and claim 15. Okay. Explain the reasons the beneficial owner meets the terms of treaty. So in this thing you need to mention why you are filling up the tax form. Okay, so over there I filled up royalty income images. You can write anything, you can write income from photography, you can write commission from big stock, anything you want. Okay, but this has been approved, so you can write this one, royalty income images. Okay, the next part 3, you need to write your name. This is the digital signature, so I will simply write my name and then you need to click on submit. I will not submit because I have already filled up the tax form and it is already approved. So I hope you got the instruction. Those are very simple, and I hope now you will be able to easily fill up the tax form. So guys, I hope the guide was very easy. Now time for code of the day. You already know the code of the day. You need to type in the comment section, which will prove that you are watching this video till now. So code of the day is BIG, B-I-G. So I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography, because our aim here is to build a strong community of stock photographers. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye and take care.